All plants are colonized by different types of microorganisms, bacteria and fungi, for example. But most of the microorganisms are beneficial and can stimulate plant growth or even protect the plants. In EcoStack, we want to know which type of cultural practices that can be used to stimulate the beneficial organisms more than the pathogenic ones.
We are here in Uppsala in Sweden. We are sitting here in a field of one of the most important crops in the world, of course. We have barley and, of course, other experiments of us include winter wheat as well. This one is barley though, and what we're looking here at is how different cultivar mixtures are influencing one another. According to our results, we can mix them in a very precise way, and we do that actually throughout Europe, so in 8 different countries, to take into account the different climatic zones we're having. So we go through all of Europe in order to see these different type of interactions. We have some really interesting results. Some of the aphid burden was reduced by around 30% while attracting more ladybirds to the field.
Cultivar mixtures can be used much more in the future because you both get this short-term effect with a slower disease development in the crop and also the long-term effect where the pathogens are not overcoming the resistance in the plants so easily.
This experiment, I think, is important for farmers and stakeholders in general, because if we have a simple, sustainable toolbox in order to just reduce insect pest burden by around 30% by doing nothing more than mixing the right cultivar with one another, it is, from an economic standpoint, better for the farmers, as well as for the general biodiversity, of course.